Hi everyone, Carol here with Carol's Cricut Crafts. I am absolutely thrilled to share something super special with you today. The very first ever Joy Extra mystery box. It's called Candle Glow and it includes the adorable true pink Cricut Cutie. You'll find all the purchase links and discount details in the description below this video. And as always, a huge thank you for using my affiliate links. It's at no extra cost to you, and it truly helps support my channel and my monthly giveaways. All right, let's dive in and see what's inside the Candle Glow mystery box. And here's the true pink cutie. How adorable is this? The color is absolutely gorgeous. We did release it once before, but that was about 2 years ago. If you missed it, here's a chance to get one. It's really gorgeous. You won't regret getting this one. Beautiful. Let's see what else is included. We have Joy Extra Smart Label. This is for your Joy Extra. Each pack is 9.5 by 13 inch and you have 3 sheets, white smart label. You can use it on your Explorer Maker if you put it on a mat, and you have 2 packs. So 6 sheets total. Absolutely terrific. Let's move this aside. Then we have permanent smart vinyl, 9.5 by 3 feet in red. We have again permanent smart vinyl, 9.5 by 3 feet in white, and a smart vinyl. Oh, I should have mentioned the red is permanent, the white and the black are removable. And this one is 9.5 by 3 feet in black. Then we have smart iron-on. This is 9.5 by 12 for 3 sheets. So each sheet is 9.5 by 12. And the colors are mint, coral, and rose. So 3 sheets, each one is 9.5 by 12 inch, smart iron-on. Then we have smart iron-on in, oh, and these are glitter. And we have smart iron-on in gold glitter, beautiful for the holidays, 9.5 by 19 inch, 1 roll. Then we have smart iron-on in silver glitter, 9.5 by 19 inch. Isn't this all terrific? Perfect for holiday projects. We have smart iron-on in rose, 9.5 by 24 inch. This one is not glitter. Then last but not least, we have 2 pen sets. One is black, 0.3, that's extra fine, I believe. And the other is pink, blue, and green, 0.8. Absolutely gorgeous. So this is the terrific first ever Joy Extra mystery box. I hope you're going to enjoy it. Don't hesitate. It's the first one. I'm sure it's going to go super fast. So if you want it, just check below in the description. Everything you need is there to purchase. And thank you again for using my affiliate links. It's never at any extra cost to you. Thank you for watching.